preacher's lie. Heat wave burns through the dead man's sky. Boots hit the ground, spurs cut the air. All go quiet when they know he's there. Black hat pulled low, face wrapped tight. He don't need the sun, he is the night. No name, no kin, no law to brand. Just a legend carved by the fastest hand. Black Rider, devil's son, draws by the count of none. Blinking he's gone, but someone falls. No time to scream, no time to call. He don't miss and he don't stand. He just rides on with the fastest hand. Sheriffs tried and bounty men failed. Put his name on every jail. Cards turned cold when he walked in. Ace of spades where his heart had been. They say he once shot through a storm, split the wind and changed his form. Clocks don't tick when he's near town. Just the hammers click and bodies down. Black Rider, ghost in black, fades like smoke on a rail line track. No one sees the draw, just hears the flame. Another soul with no last name. He don't wait and he don't plan. He just moves like death with the fastest hand. They say he made time stand still, stared down death and broke his will. Every tale ends the same old way. Dust, silence, then he rides away. Black Rider, king of sand, last thing you see is a shadowland. You can beg, you can run, but you won't stand. Not against the Black Rider with the fastest hand.